What's my favorite thing about my home country, Jamaica? Well, I'm proud of and love the same things everyone else does: the food, the vibes, and the beaches. But a part of Jamaican living that brings family and friends together, which you probably didn't know about, is cooking by the river. As Jamaicans, sharing a hearty meal cooked by the riverside while we share stories, take a few dips in the water, and play a game of Ludi or dominoes is the epitome of community, unity, and oneness. Relocating from Jamaica to Zimbabwe has always been bittersweet. Though a breathtakingly beautiful country, Zimbabwe is landlocked. So I never get to do the Sunday beach days like I did back home in Jamaica, and I never get to gather at the river with friends. Until today.
We are here at Gyi River. I'm here with the hosts of the most, Tapila and Debs. We're about to go and get our feet wet. How are you guys feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I've never been here before.
If you're familiar with the resort town in Zimbabwe called Nyanga, then when you think of it, you probably think of the Nyangombe Falls, the Mutarazi Falls, or Troutbeck Resort. But there is rare mention of the Gyi River, a hidden gem located about 20 kilometers from Troutbeck Hotel. Nyanga reminds me so much of Jamaica. I started feeling a bit homesick, but you know what them say, if you can't go to Jamaica, then you create Jamaica where you are.
If you come to a place like this, right, in Jamaica, the next thing to do is to run a boat. What does run a boat mean?
Run a boat.
We didn't manage to actually cook by the riverside, but Tony and I sat down with our friends for a little patwa by the river. For all your cell phone, gadgets, and electronic needs in Harare, contact Digitech. We offer quality products at the most competitive prices. If you prefer to avoid the hustle and bustle of downtown, we can deliver your order to you. Call or WhatsApp 0713-505046. That's 0713-505046. Or follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page at DigitechZW. Digitech, cell phones and accessories at its best.
So this is a first for me as well. So it's going to be nice exploring somewhere new in Zim together.
Yeah.
For the first time.
What are we gonna do, Nga?
The water is cold. That's all I'm about to say.
So we're not swimming.
Anyone who's able to have their feet in for at least 3 seconds is a pro.
So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put our feet in.
Okay.
Are we fishing or just?
I'm looking forward to it.
Go, Adrian.
Go find out.
What are we gonna do? Are we fishing? Are we putting our feet in? What?
Let's swim.
Let's go, guys. We're gonna swim.
Let's go.
You know, I actually can't swim.
Today.
He's always like, how are you from a
From the
country
Caribbean.
that's surrounded by
And she
water?
can't swim.
Oh well. So I'll put my feet in. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Okay. So we're driving there.
Three seconds. You can actually skip. Let's see. Did it skip?
Aging. The rock has to be flat and smooth. Nice.
Oh, you do.
Nice.
Fail.
Okay.
Isn't it cold?
It's.
Today it's not cold.
Okay.
But what it is slippery. But it's so clear. We could catch a fish
guys,
in here.
It actually looks like water could have actually swam in.
Can you swim?
My turn.
Woo!
You swim from there to here.
But we didn't bring swimming clothes. It's like a river vibe at home. It's just the same.
The water is so clear.
Yeah, it's not cold. Yeah. Right? Hi.
Hello.
Hi, sexy legs.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Gyi was saying she should have thought of bringing a picnic basket.
A what?
Picnic
Oh yeah.
basket.
That was going to be awesome.
You know what we would have done in Jamaica?
What?
What? What do people do at the riverside?
You're going to what?
What do people do at the riverside back home? No. It's regarding food. Oh my gosh.
I don't know what else.
We'd run a boat.
Run a boat?
Yeah, run a boat.
What's that?
Exactly. Nga, do you know patois?
I don't know patois.
He said what? We're doing what?
Patois by
by-
the river with Debs. Patois by the Gyi River. Episode 1.
So from this moment on, I'm gonna talk to you in a patois.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
You know no patois at all?
No.
No, nothing?
Nothing.
You just
But
say
me
nothing.
gonna respond like
You're
I
going
do. Me gonna attempt to respond.
Babe, come have the patois conversation too. You're going to help her. Like, if you come to a place like this, right, in Jamaica, the next thing to do is to run a boat. What does run a boat mean?
Run a boat.
Run a
fish.
boat. Huh?
Cook fish.
Cook fish. True.
But will you be cooking fish
Hey,
specifically?
patois.
Oh, okay. Times you're going to be here to help.
Yo, you know my patois is so bad.
Patois.
4 years of marriage should be shining right now.
Patois.
Okay.
So you cook fish and what else?
We have to bride the fish them thing. We have to mix in.
All right. So we're going to cook fish. What else? Anything else?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. That's like a, what I don't know.
We are going to drink soup.
Yeah, can make soup.
Oh.
Yeah, we are going to drink soup.
What else? Boiled dumpling, roast breadfruit,
Plantain?
fry plantain.
Plantain.
So say plantain.
Plantain.
Say plantain.
Plantain.
So it sounds like you're going to just cook everything in Jamaica.
Run a boat.
Runabout means
Runabout.
cooking everything in Jamaica by the side
What
of
about the
river.
chicken?
Chicken.
No.
Can you get the jerk chicken?
Yeah, the jerk
Yeah,
chicken by
can
the
jerk
river.
chicken. So basically it's just to cook by the river.
And jerk pork?
Well, when I eat pork, fire pan pork, rasta bun pork.
Rasta bun pork.
Songa, you're going to tell me something in Shona. Then I'll tell you in patois.
Okay.
Then you say it in patois.
Anything.
You choose. You start.
Nasitiri kuruizi.
Nasichi.
Nasitiri kuruizi.
Nasi tiriku wizi.
Ruizi.
Ruizi.
Yeah.
Today we are
Yes.
Kurizi.
Where's that?
I don't know.
What's
By the
Ruizi?
river.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
But you're saying it in patois. Debs.
Oh yeah, in patois. So today we're there at river.
Yeah.
Today we're there at the river.
Yeah!
Rastafari.
Rice.
Next.
Asi takanganwa chikafu chedu. Asi takanganwa chikafu chedu.
Is it that you forgot our food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, my shona. Oh wait, let me say it in a
Patois.
patois. I tell me so, don't forget your food.
Asita kangano.
Yes.
Yeah.
I tell me say you forget your food.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
This is so good, yeah.
The last one.
Next.
Ejinari mvura. That one is too easy.
Yeah, that one the easy. Adrian in water. Next one, that one not too easy. Last one. Pato by the river.
Shona by the
So
river.
cool.
I wanted to
Okay,
say one,
Shona
but I
and
can't
Pato.
put that. No, you can't put that on YouTube.
Patakaenda
No, it's fine.
Taive vaviri.
She's gonna give me a hard one. Wait.
Patakaenda kurwizi taive vaviri.
Yay! Yes,
What?
that's a good one.
What?
Patakaenda
And I'll
kurwizi
even sing it for you.
Patakaenda
Patakaenda
kurwizi
kurwizi,
taive vaviri.
taive vaviri. That's a good one.
Guys, pakaipa.
Paka.
And this ziwe.
No, listen, do it slowly.
Patakaenda kurwizi taive
Okay.
Vaviri.
Something about we went to the river.
Yes.
Mhm.
The rest, me no know.
Okay. We went to the river, the two of us.
Yes. It's a romance song.
It's a romantic song.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you should play it.
You play it at this moment in the video. That was Patwa by the River.
Pato by the river. Thank you, lady.
You know, the river is actually better than the ocean. Because the ocean water is so salty.
Hey, please can you look for a flat rock for me?
You didn't do.
I did.
Okay.
Ready?
Get that angle.
Come on!
Agent and your come-ons. Aye.
Oh,
Let's-
use this one. Oh, that one is nice.
This one.
Get low, Jebs. Aim for the base, like the thing of the water. I don't know what to call it. Yes! Nice!
This one.
Now, this was obviously not like a typical day by the river in Jamaica, but being here definitely brought me close to home, just for that moment in time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.